Bonjour, Hélène. I will talk in English, very short. I will show you everything. So we have right now the first yarn kit, the first option for our dress. This is the original dress, and now we want to create this one in pink colors. So we have light pink here at the upper part and intensive pink at the bottom part, at the skirt. And I have the perfect yarn kit for you. For the upper part, we have this one color. It's incredibly beautiful, tender, such very nice pink color you can see. And we have 500 grams. All I have just will be enough for this upper part, and for bottom part we have this incredible color. It's perfect, just, and I have the last 500 grams, so this color will be for bottom part of this dress. It's really fantastic. Just I will show you closer better, like this. It's fuchsia, and we have 500 grams. So in total, this color we have 500 grams, this color 500 grams. Next, we have here additional colors to create flowers, some part of long leaves like this. And we have here additional colors. This is lime green, very beautiful, tender color. Next, we have a more intensive lime, just for small details. And olive green, also incredibly beautiful, this one. And these three colors, we have the third color, this one 100 grams, this color 100 grams, and the last also the same, 100 grams. In total, first kit, 1300 grams. We have the main colors. The main are these two colors that you will use for total dress. These are just additional. You will use just a little bit of these colors. That's all. So this is the first kit. Now I like this one the most. This one is for me the best option, and I recommend you to use these two colors to create this dress. Now I will show you second color. We will just change these two colors. Let's go. And now the second option, the second variant, this one, number 2. For upper part, we have this more lighter, very gentle color, light pink. Just look to this beautiful color. It's lighter, yes, this option, very light. And for the bottom part, for this part, we have this yarn, this color, just like you can see, such pink color. And additional colors are the same, like we have here, additional lime, bright lime, and this olive green. And also we have 500 grams of this first color, 500 grams of this one, and 100 grams of each. Again, we have the same number, total number, 1300 grams, the second yarn kit, the same. So we have two variants. And I like better the first one. I recommend you this one with this bottom part and with this upper part. This option I like better. This one is more lighter. This one is more like similar to this that you like it. So my opinion is to take the first option, but you can tell me what you think about this. All threads are high quality, so it will be really a nice dress. You will create special dress from threads like this. Also, I will create for you several samples. I will create for you some motifs and send to you together with this threads yarn. Okay, so this is short presentation just to show you two options. After, when you will choose colors, I will create for you another video with more details about how to work with each element and how to create these all motifs. Yes, we have pictures with all motifs, with all lessons, and we have here all motifs, yes, colors, how many numbers, how many elements, and also we have composition, front and back side for this dress. Like this it works. So thank you so much for watching. I will wait for your answer.